great thing about today is that I find myself in a very fortunate position of introducing my mother, Amma. Mrs. Anantalakshmi Natarajan is an exponent of Hindu Tattva and Dharma. From a very young age, she had been discoursing on these deep philosophical thoughts from the age of 10. She lives in Bangalore and has kindly consented to come here and tell us about Saundarya Lahari. Saundarya Lahari, Lahari means waves. Saundarya, now the word Saundarya is so deep, one could explain it as happiness, one could explain it as beauty, one could explain it as, the entire all-encompassing Tattvam. Who is to say what exactly is involved in the explanation of this Tattvam by Adi Shankaracharya, who wrote this Shatakam? But in order that these philosophical thoughts, on the basis of which the Sanatana Dharma or the Hindu philosophical thought process has been built, is going to be explained by such accomplished thinkers as Mrs. Anantalakshmi Natarajan. I have not heard her before, and I am eager to listen and understand and maybe absorb a fraction of what she is trying to tell us today. But a number of you may have already understood a good portion of Saundarya Lahari. The same topic, when addressed by different people, actually gives different perspectives to us, and that is what I'd like you to take away from today's discussion. We may know Saundarya Lahari because we may have heard from somebody else, but this is a very interesting and important way in which Mrs. Natarajan will explain to us. She told me that today's time of about an hour and a half or so will only permit her to discuss 4 slokas, and even that is a stretch of her hurrying up and condensing the entire description into 4 slokas. How can we get the entire Tattvam? In order to do that and to explain some of the Hindu philosophical rules, she has brought along with her some literature that you can see on the Veda counter table. All of you kindly pick up whatever you feel is required. In order that this temple advances, we will request you, it's only a request, for you to leave some donation on the table. Today I am not specifying any amount. Any amount that you leave there is welcome for us, and it will be used for the temple's development. I also wanted to take a minute to tell you that this hall, as you are seeing, will be completely transformed in the next 6 months